Welcome to the Long Words Showcase. We'll explore notorious tongue twisters, their meanings and pronunciations, made simple. Ready? Let's dive in. Anti-disestablishmentarianism, to withdrawing state support from an established church, especially the Church of England. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, fictional word from Mary Poppins, meaning extraordinarily wonderful or fantastic. Pneumonia ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, a lung disease caused by inhaling very fine silica dust, often from volcanic ash. Flossinausian ahilipilification, the act of estimating something as worthless or trivial. Hippopotamonstrosis squipedaliophobia, ironic term for the fear of long words. Worcestershire, a county in England or a savory sauce named after it, used as a condiment. Cholmondeley, a surname or place name in England, often pronounced differently from its spelling. Quinoa, a grain-like seed used as a nutritious food staple, native to South America. Squirrel, a small rodent with a bushy tail, known for climbing and storing nuts. Anemone, a flowering plant or a marine animal with stinging tentacles, sea anemone. Isthmus, a narrow strip of land connecting two larger land masses, surrounded by water. Synecdoche, a figure of speech where a part represents the whole, e.g., wheels for a car. Onomatopoeia, a word that imitates the sound it describes, like buzz or crash. Rendezvous, a meeting or appointment at a specific time and place. Colonel, a senior military officer rank. Brougham, a horse-drawn carriage or a type of early automobile. Draft, a current of air, a serving of drink, or an archaic spelling of draft. Epiphany, a sudden realization or insight, also a Christian festival celebrating the Magi's visit. Hyperbole, exaggerated statements not meant to be taken literally, used for effect. Otorhinolaryngologist Mbakperi, Otorgene Adjusans, a doctor specializing in ear, nose, and throat, ENT disorders. Quixotic, unrealistically optimistic or impractical, inspired by Don Quixote's idealism. Schism, a split or division, especially within a church or organization. Tchotchke, a small, decorative object or trinket, often of little value. Gnocchi, small Italian dumplings made from potato, flour, or semolina. Phthisis, an archaic term for tuberculosis or wasting disease of the lungs. Cacophony, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Epitome, a perfect example or embodiment of a quality or type. L'enfer pool gwyn gil goga richwern drobe w la lanticilio go go gok, a town in Wales, its name meaning St. Mary's Church in the hollow of the White Hazel near a rapid whirlpool, and the Church of St. Tysilio of the Red Cave. Chiaroscuro, an art technique using strong contrasts between light and dark. Mischievous, playfully naughty or causing minor trouble. Winophile, a person who loves or appreciates wine. Paraphernalia, miscellaneous items or equipment associated with a particular activity. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism, a rare genetic disorder mimicking hypoparathyroidism symptoms but without calcium imbalance. Sow, a soft murmuring sound, like the wind in trees. Thalamus, a brain structure relaying sensory and motor signals to the cortex. CWM, a glacial valley or cirque, pronounced coombe, from Welsh. Rhythm, a pattern of sounds or movements, often tricky due to silent H and vowel shifts. Sixth, the ordinal number after fifth. Xth cluster is hard to articulate. Anathema, something or someone detested or cursed. Stress on second syllable. Anathema. Scintilla, a tiny trace or spark of something, like evidence or feeling. Larynx, the voice box in the throat containing vocal cords. Esoteric, understood by or meant for only a select few with specialized knowledge. February, the second month, often mispronounced by swapping R sounds. February. Apothecary, a historical term for a pharmacist or druggist. Prerogative, a right or privilege exclusive to a person or group. Scherzo, a lively musical composition or movement, often in a symphony. Viscera, internal organs of the body, especially in the abdominal cavity. Ebullient, cheerful and full of energy, vowel heavy with stress shifts. Sesquipedalian, characterized by long words, ironically, a long word itself. Bourgeois, relating to the middle class, often with connotations of materialism.